everyone, welcome to episode 34 of Learn With Me. Today we are talking about storytelling in your marketing, and we're going to be starting with the first one of telling how you got started with your business and the backstory, because if they can relate to your company, there'll be that personal experience, that personal connection with your business. It is a brand marketing, and each brand marketing needs telling a story, and that is how we are going to be starting with our first one. Second one is going to be sharing your customer stories. Sharing your customer stories are when your customer says something about you and you record that in your side, and then you can post it on your website, on other places. It does not have to be a video or an audio. It could be a simple text, but it has to be a truthful. But if you are starting with this customer story, you can start with making one up, but make it as truthful as you can. And that is number 2. Number 3 is a customer experience on social media. That is number 3. On social media, because everybody has some type of social media. It could be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. I don't really care what you are using for your customers. It depends what you are targeting, but make them share their experience on social media. And that's a whole new topic on how to make your customer talk about their experience on social media. Hopefully I will do that in some other episodes, but will not be right now. That is number 3. Number 4 is sharing your employees' story or the culture of your company. Sharing a story of your company or a culture in your company, it relates to number 1 because they will feel that connection. And when you target the right people for your product and services, they will feel that connection. Like, let's use Nike for an example. They will most likely target their people to people who work out in the gym. So they will need people which are telling stories and sharing their culture in that same perspective and that same around of nature. That is number 4. Number 5 is educate with your content. All businesses must make content, specifically videos. Videos are important and some type of way of sharing a video, but we are not going to be getting into that in this episode. So we are going to be talking about making it educational, and making those content will help your customers and yourself to get more profits and more customers on your end. So make content which is going to be helping your customers. It does not matter what niche you are in. You can make some type of content which will help your customers. So that is number 5. Thank you for listening until the end. If you see some type of difference with today's episode, it is because my mic is not feeling that well, and I cannot be missing no episodes for this goal. And I will promise you that I will try my best to see you in the next episode.